Hey guys, did someone tag you in their Instagram story and you wanna reshare it to your own? Follow this simple guide so you'll know how to share the story you have been tagged in to your own. Now open Instagram on your device and make sure you are on the home feed. Now go to the direct messages and look for the mention message. Now go to the chat with it and look for the add to your story option at the bottom of the story and simply click on it. Now you can customize the story however you want. So for example, you can change the background just by clicking this icon on the left. You can change the music, for example, if there is any in the tag. You can add some text and you can even draw by clicking on this small icon and just drawing whatever you need on the background. Now, when ready and when satisfied, click on the Your Story option at the bottom left, and this will reshare the story you have been tagged in to your own. Now the reshared story will also be visible in the DMs, but you can exit the DMs and go to it just from your home feed. And also the followers that will view this story can click on the original one and go to the profile that has tagged you in the story and simply posted it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.